Elon Musk has a history of shaking up markets with a single tweet or comment, and it looks like he's done it again this time. This time, it's not just Dogecoin or Bitcoin that's getting attention. It's XRP, a cryptocurrency that many people haven't heard of before. Musk made a casual comment that has shocked the crypto community. Some people think he may have just revealed how much XRP could really be worth, and the price could be a shocking $50,000. With the price of XRP as it is now, that number is hard to understand. However, Musk's words may have started a conversation that could change everything for the digital currency. They didn't mean to make a price prediction, but now people are putting the pieces together and seeing something much bigger than what was said at first. Could XRP really be worth that much? Is this all just hype, or is there a real chance that the cryptocurrency could reach these levels in the future? Some people might dismiss it as just another random comment from a billionaire who some people think there's more to this than just a market stir. This accidental leak of information could be the key to figuring out how much XRP is really worth, and it could lead to huge growth in the years to come. Let's look at why this comment is so important, and why $50,000 might be the price that XRP is heading toward. It isn't just another cryptocurrency, it plays a special role in the market, and you need to know what that role is to understand why Elon Musk's comment could have such a big effect. This is different from Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are mostly about freedom and smart contracts. When XRP was created, its main goal was to make foreign payments faster and cheaper. The company that created XRP has teamed up with big banks and other financial institutions to use the XRP ledger to make cross-border trades easier. This gives XRP a real-world use case that sets it apart from many other cryptocurrencies that have been the subject of a lot of speculation over the years. A legal fight with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is still going on, which has caused XRP to go up and down. The SEC is suing Ripple for selling XRP as an unregistered security, which has caused uncertainty. As a result, XRP's price has been unstable, often trading far below its true potential because of the legal cloud over it. Despite this, XRP has continued to have a strong following of people who believe in its long-term value. But what's more interesting is that XRP's technology is seen as one of the fastest and most scalable ways to handle financial transactions. Banks and payment providers are starting to use it, which makes it more than just a speculative asset. In fact, many experts say that XRP's real value lies in the problems it solves in the real world, like making it cheaper and faster to send money across borders if the legal issues are resolved. Get fixed and more people start using XRP, its price could easily go up by a lot. This brings us back to Elon Musk. He didn't say that XRP would hit $50,000, but the way he's influenced the market in the past shows that what he says can make a difference. His out-of-the-blue comment could be a sign of what XRP can really do if enough people believe in it. Value over time, there could be a big change in the market. Could $50,000 be the end of XRP? Let's look more closely at why that price might not be so crazy after all. There is no denying Elon Musk's impact on the cryptocurrency market. From his early support of Bitcoin to his part in taking Dogecoin to new heights, Musk has shown over and over that his words can change things. But Musk doesn't just say odd things or jokes. When he talks, people pay attention. This time his comment about XRP started a serious conversation about how much it might be worth. So how did Musk's words lead to the idea that XRP could be worth $50,000? We need to take a step back and look at Musk's history with crypto to understand this. His impact isn't new, just supporting or criticizing a coin for fun. For example, when he tweeted about Bitcoin, he wasn't just mentioning it briefly. His tweets brought Bitcoin a lot of attention, which led to institutional investment and a price rise. Musk doesn't just talk like a casual investor. His actions often show that he has a much deeper knowledge of technology and how it works. What could happen with XRP? Musk's comment wasn't a direct endorsement or even a detailed price prediction. It was more of a slip-up or off-the-cuff remark that people quickly picked up on. Knowing Musk's power, many people began to wonder if there was more to this comment. Musk accidentally let it slip that $50,000 is a reasonable price goal for XRP when you believe in there are a lot of things that could cause XRP to reach such high levels of value. First, XRP is different from many other cryptocurrencies because of its unique place in the financial world. Its partnerships with banks and payment providers give it a strong base in the real world, unlike many other cryptocurrencies that are based only on speculation. Second, the move toward digital currencies around the world. And third, if Ripple wins its lawsuit against the SEC, decentralized banking could make even more people want to buy XRP. A big boost in trust could send the price of XRP even higher. Elon Musk's response may not have been a clear price prediction, but the ripple effect it caused has made people really think about XRP's future. Could $50,000 really be what XRP is worth? For those who think it's possible, let's look at what might need to happen for XRP to hit such a crazy price. There are some experts who say that $50,000 could be a good price for XRP. To understand why they think this, we need to look at a few key factors that have a big impact on its potential. At first glance, the XRP price might not make sense, but when you look more closely at the market and the part XRP plays in the financial system, it starts to make more sense. Firstly, XRP is different from many other cryptocurrencies because it is used in the real world, unlike Bitcoin, which is mostly seen as a store of value, or Ethereum, which is all about decentralized apps. XRP is made to deal with a certain issue: payments for crossing. With XRP, Ripple wants to speed up, lower the cost, and improve the efficiency of foreign money transfers. As the world becomes more connected, people will want faster and cheaper ways to send money across borders. XRP has already made a lot of progress in this area, with Ripple establishing XRP has real value because it has partnerships with big banks like Santander, American Express, and even the Bank of England. These partnerships show that XRP has real-world uses in the global financial system. Another important factor is the current state of the cryptocurrency market. As traditional banks start to adopt blockchain technology and digital currencies using money, it's possible that cryptocurrencies that can help people will become more valuable. XRP is in a unique situation to benefit from this change because its technology is already being used in traditional banks. If this trend continues, XRP could become widely used, which would increase demand and in turn its price. There's also the possibility of Ripple is still in court fight with the SEC. If Ripple wins and XRP is found to be a utility token instead of a security, it could make it easier for big companies to invest in XRP. Due to the ongoing legal uncertainty surrounding XRP, many institutional investors have been reluctant to invest in it. However, if the case is decided in Ripple's favor, it could lead to big financial institutions investing a lot of money, which raise the demand for XRP even more. Finally, let's not forget the effect that market psychology has on prices.